Hey y'all, it's Kimmy from Crochet Cabin. I wanted to get on here today and do a short video. I'm back from vacation. I am back in my house. So I just wanted to show you something that I made. So I told y'all I made me a sea turtle, right? So this is him. That's him. Look at his cute little tail. Isn't that cute? But I named him Sid, S-Y-D. He's Sid the sea turtle. And you can see his little eyes. I know they're not in the right spot, but I don't know. I like them better that way. So this was my very first amigurumi. I never made one before. So you can see his shell. So this, I went to Dollar Tree while I was on vacation and I got me some Just Chanel yarn. And that's what this is. This is called Oyster. It's like a really light peachy color. And then this shell is called Cocoa. So yeah, I got this. I got the design for this because like I said, I've never done one before. So I got the design from this. See, where did I see that at? I saw it on Pinterest. And it's by CJ Designs. She has a YouTube channel where you can find the tutorial for this pattern, for this little guy right here. The pattern is on Pinterest. And then you can follow the tutorial on YouTube. It's C, capital C, capital J, Design. I think it's just Design. I don't think it's Designs. I had a really hard time finding it. The name that she gave, the turtle she made, was Fred. So if that helps you find it, yeah. If I think about it, I'll try to link the channel, but I don't really know how to do that. So I'll give it a shot though before I publish this video. So we had a really good time on our vacation. We went to several antique stores in 3 different places, and then we went to the sister house in Oldenburg, and there's Oldenburg Academy is in there. That's a school for kids, Catholic school. And let's see, it used to just be a school for girls. I think that was what Irby told me. But it's co-ed now. And so I did a video of us walking around the grounds and of the Our Lady of Fatima with 3 shepherd children. I did a video of that. We prayed the rosary while we were there, and then we stopped and got a bite to eat at a little restaurant. Can't remember the name of it. It's in Oldenburg. Then we went back to the hotel, and then went to Hobby Lobby. The day we went to Madison, there was a Hobby Lobby in Madison, so it was like on the outskirts. So on our way back through, we stopped at the Hobby Lobby, and I restrained myself severely. I was standing in the aisle. I know people thought I was a nutso. I was standing in the aisle, as I said in that video, arguing with myself. Seriously, because I have tons of yarn. I don't need yarn. But I wanted to get some yarn while I was out, different places. We went by Joann's in Columbus, Indiana, and it's completely gone. There's nothing in there. So that's sad, because the majority of my yarn came from Joann's. Like my big box yarn came from Joann's. I shopped there a lot. It was the only yarn store. There was Joann's, then there's Hobby Lobby. But if you want like name brand, like Lion Brand, or I think Hobby Lobby sells Lion Brand now, but the other ones, they're not in there. They sell their own line, which there's nothing wrong with that. I've gotten some really nice yarns out of there, but the nearest Michael's is like an hour away, so I just order Michael's online. So I'm waiting to see if anybody picks up the Big Twist Posh line. So I want to get me some of that for amigurumis, because I really enjoyed making Sid. It did my heart good. It really did. So I've been bitten by the amigurumi bug, I think. I mean, I know that I can use like regular yarn, 4-weight yarn, but I like the way that the Posh yarn turned out. As not the Posh, the chenille, the way it turned out. But I want to get me some of that Posh yarn. And he's so cute. And he's really huggable. Squeezy, squeezy. And Lori informed me when I showed her Sid, she informed me that he was hers. So you won't be seeing him no more because he's going to Lori. And then maybe I'll make another one. I got lots of the chenille yarn upstairs. Tons of it. So I can make another one. We should probably lay claim to that too, right? So today I'm just been unpacking, and so now I'm putting everything away. You know, we didn't use, washing all the clothes we did use. I bought a bunch of beads while we were on vacation, and so I've been getting them organized. I bought me some eyeballs and noses, my little doggy noses. They're so cute. And let's see, what else do we do? I mean, antiquing, that was about the biggest thing we did, was that and Hobby Lobby. Pretty much just chilled, you know, just relaxed. Because, yeah, I needed that vacation so bad. I don't know how long it'll be before my next one. Hopefully I can, like, talk one of my husband's siblings into coming and staying with Lori for a couple days. We can get away, you know, like for a weekend here and there throughout the years. That would be wonderful. It really would. But I don't know if it'll happen. So I did see some dolls that I liked while we were in antique stores, but I didn't like what they wanted for them. They weren't worth that. I mean, I know most of the doll designers, and like the ones that sell their stuff on Ashton Drake, and these were generic designers, and they wanted crazy prices. Like one doll, she was really pretty, but she's like $63. I was like, that's outrageous. That's crazy. I'm not gonna pay that. So I didn't buy no dolls, but I have plenty. I have plenty of dolls. Yeah. And so Herbie's out mowing. He's mowing the grass, and then he's gonna till the garden. Time for start planting the garden. We usually wait till after Mother's Day, because you're in less danger of having like a cold snap or whatever. So we wait until after Mother's Day. So I guess probably won't. I don't know when we'll plant, if it'll be today or tomorrow. One of the two. And so I'm sitting on my bed. I got all these clothes laying on my bed. I need to go in drawers. But I wanted to come on and show you Sid. I promised I would. I put him on my post page, but I know a lot of people don't look at that. So thought I'd do a little video. I'm really tired today. I don't know why. I shouldn't be tired. I had 10 days off, but I'm really tired today. I didn't sleep real good last night. I was so glad to get into bed though. My bed, my pillow. I miss my pillow. We have those My Pillows by Mike Lindell. And I'll tell you what, I love My Pillow. I do. My pillow, my pillow. Yeah, it's very, I don't wake up with like a sore neck or anything. So we've been using these pillows for, oh my gosh, probably 7 years, maybe. About 7 years. And they're just as good as they were the first day. So, highly recommend if you're in the search for a pillow, go on mypillow.com. I think it's .com. And yeah, he's got some really nice pillows. And then nice slippers. And he's got sandals and blankets, bed sheets, bed toppers, dog beds. There's a lot of things, a lot of different things. Socks, robes, pajamas. Try and think of everything. There's a lot. He's got a lot of stuff. So I highly recommend his products. Just if you get slippers, don't go outside with them because eventually they'll fall apart faster. So I guess that's it, guys. I don't really have a lot to say today. My main reason for, do you guys want to see my beads? Here, let's go on a road trip. Oh, the living room. Oh. I've been having trouble with my hip the last few months. It's really bad this week, though. Oh, my beads. Hold on, y'all. There's so much here. Where's it there? Oh, okay. Alright, let me get this open. So I put them in my suitcase. The suitcase, that's my yarn suitcase. It's full of yarn. I ain't kidding. Take a look-see. I need it. And that's not all the yarn I took. I took 2 more bags. Big bags of yarn. So, these are the eyes and noses that, you see them? There they are. There's the eyes and noses that I bought. Can you see them? So I got these at, in Batesville, there's a This and That store. And so that's where I got these. And then, so I went around antique stores buying up as many strands of beads and like beaded necklaces, bracelets, earrings, anything. So I got this whole thing full. You can see all them beads. I got that. These wouldn't fit in there. So I got all these. And then beads, spacers. And then I got some things to make stitch markers. Because I have other beads that I bought. But these are the most recent. So I want to make stitch markers. So if I get good at it, maybe y'all will want some. I'm not sure what the price of them is as of yet. But eventually I'll figure that out too. So I think that's it. I did not work on my corner to corner blanket. It stayed at home. Because I wanted to work on something else. You know, I've been working on that for months. So I'll go back to that. It's almost done. I mean, just a few rows to go and like 30 rows. And then do the border. I'm going to do a purple border on it. And that'll be done. I can show that to y'all. But yeah, vacation was nice. It was very restful, very peaceful. I liked it. I liked being gone for a bit. So, we've never been gone that long. And then Lori, she was so glad to see us. She thought we left. We were never coming back. I could tell by the reaction on her face when she saw us. She was like totally surprised. So, yeah, we got home yesterday. Got home about 12 o'clock yesterday. And just spent time with Lori and made supper and watched some TV and different stuff. So, yeah, it was a good night. Well, guys, I guess that is all I have for you today. So, y'all take care. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna try to get more up. More videos, shorts, stuff like that. And some lives. I love y'all. I'll see you soon. Mwah. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already done so. Alright. I love y'all. Bye.